Welcome to Stoic Compass. Today we dive into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism with 12 principles that can instantly transform your life. Let's get started. Our first principle is to focus on what you can control. Embrace the serenity to accept what you cannot change, the courage to change what you can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Identify one thing in your life you can control and take a step to improve it today. Next, practice mindfulness. Live in the present moment and fully engage with your current activity. Dedicate 5 minutes each day to mindful breathing or meditation. Embrace adversity. View challenges as opportunities for growth and development. Reflect on a recent challenge and write down 3 positive outcomes that resulted from it. Cultivate inner peace. Develop a calm and resilient mindset by accepting external events with equanimity. When faced with stress, take a moment to breathe deeply and recenter yourself. Live by virtue. Strive to be just, wise, courageous, and temperate in all your actions. Identify a personal virtue to focus on each week and practice it daily. Detach from material possessions. Recognize that true happiness comes from within, not from external possessions. Declutter your space and donate items you no longer need. Practice gratitude. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Control your desires. Understand that unchecked desires can lead to dissatisfaction and unhappiness. Identify one desire that often leads to impulsive behavior and practice restraint. Accept mortality. Reflect on the impermanence of life to better appreciate the present. Spend time considering what truly matters to you and how you want to be remembered. Seek wisdom. Continually seek knowledge and understanding to improve your life and the lives of others. Commit to reading or listening to educational content for at least 15 minutes daily. Develop emotional resilience. Learn to remain stable and composed in the face of emotional upheaval. Practice acknowledging your emotions without letting them control your actions. Serve others. Find fulfillment in contributing to the well-being of others. Volunteer your time or skills to help someone in need. Incorporating these Stoic principles into your daily life can lead to profound and instant transformations. Start with small, consistent actions and gradually build upon them to cultivate a more fulfilling and resilient life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Stoic Compass, where we guide you to a more purposeful life. See you next time, and remember, the journey to a better you begins with a single step.